If you have been searching for a European country where you can build a new life, find employment and potentially earn a stable income, then guys, Lithuania deserves your attention in 2026. And if your goal is not just to move alone but to move with your spouse and children, then you also need to understand how family reunification works. Stay until the end because I will show you how to approach Lithuanian employers strategically, so you can avoid wasting months applying for jobs that are unlikely to offer visa sponsorship. Lithuania is a Baltic country in Northern Europe and a member of the European Union. It is a beautiful and safe country to live in, with a good balance between work and family life. Lithuania's statutory minimum wage is around €1,153 per month. However, keep in mind that this is the minimum wage, not what every worker earns. Your actual salary will depend heavily on your profession, experience, employer, location and employment contract. The Lithuanian Employment Service's current labor market information lists a wide range of occupations in demand. One major category is transportation. Heavy truck and lorry drivers, as well as car and van drivers, continue to appear among the occupations in demand. So, if you have the correct driving license, relevant professional experience and the qualifications required for a particular job, Lithuania may be worth investigating. 2. Construction. Construction workers, plumbers and pipe fitters, electricians, welders and other skilled trades are among the occupations identified by Lithuania's Employment Service. Some labor market opportunities are based on practical skills and experience. If you are a qualified electrician with years of experience, that skill can be more valuable to an employer than simply having a university degree in a completely unrelated field. The same applies to mechanics. Motor vehicle mechanics and repairers are among the occupations currently listed in Lithuania's labor market data. 3. Hospitality. Cooks and kitchen-related workers are in demand. 4. Manufacturing opportunities. Warehouse workers, freight handlers, packers and manufacturing laborers appear in the current labor market information. 5. Professional positions. Accounting, marketing, nursing, teaching, administration, engineering and other specialist roles appear in the labor market data. So don't make the mistake of thinking Lithuania only wants manual workers. There are opportunities at different skill levels. Where to find legitimate Lithuania jobs? The first place you should investigate is the Lithuanian Employment Service. Their website contains job vacancies and labor market information. And the Employment Service itself recommends several job search platforms including CV.lt, cvbankas.lt, workinlithuania.com and EURES. How to make your CV stand out. If you are applying from Africa, Asia, or another non-EU country, don't send a 5-page CV filled with unnecessary information. Make it clear. Start with your professional title. Then your years of experience. Then your technical skills. Then your employment history. Then your qualifications. Then your relevant certificates. And if you're applying for a driver position, don't bury your driving license information at the bottom. Put the relevant license category and experience where the recruiter can see it. If you're a healthcare worker, show your professional registration and relevant experience. Your CV should make the employer think, this person can actually do the job. So guys, if you have been thinking about Europe in 2026, don't just look at the usual countries. There are other European labor markets worth researching. And Lithuania is one of them. If you're serious about moving to Lithuania with your family, comment below with your profession and the country you're watching from. I want to know which jobs you guys are looking for and where you're watching from. And if you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications because we are covering more legitimate work visa, employment and relocation opportunities across Europe in 2026. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.